What is up, guys? This is Billy coming at you guys with a new video. This is going to be a double unboxing. So there's another unboxing being released right after this one. It's going to be two separate videos. I have two things to unbox today. And I got a bit of a, whatchamajigger, double recording thing going on right now. So I'm going to be switching back and forth so you guys get a better perspective of what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's show you what I will be unboxing. For this video, we will be unboxing the Razer Mamba Tournament Edition Chroma from Razer. Beautiful mouse. This is the one I will be using for CSGO. Give you a better look there, if I can get it. Quick with catching on to these things. And then, nonetheless, we have the mouse. Awesome mouse, look at that. I'm a huge fan of the design of this mouse, which is why I really wanted it. We have two buttons on the side, similar to the Death Adder. Pretty sick. And we have, I believe, two buttons here, and the scroll wheel actually tilts left and right if you're like scrolling web pages. That's pretty awesome. Take the plastic off the bottom here. But yeah, this is actually going to go very, very well with my Razer Firefly and Corsair K70 RGB. I'm going to set this up and I'll show you guys what this baby looks like lit. I'll be with you guys in a moment. Alright guys, we are back and she is lit. Look at that. That is beautiful. Really comfortable mouse, really comfortable. I really, really like it. Like the feeling of it. It's really cool. Right now I have the wave effect on, but let me show you in the software, if I could, what kind of effects they have here. So we have the reactive, which I believe will go on every time I click. Yep, there you go. It's like a little pulse. See that? And then we have spectrum cycling to make it just cycle through all the colors. Purple, looks like it's going into red or orange. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it just cycles through all the colors. You guys have seen it before. We have a static color. We keep it just one color. That's actually pretty cool. We have the wave, which is my personal favorite. There we go. Beautiful. We can also change the direction of the wave if we like. So if I want it to go this way, which it probably will. That looks really cool. But yeah, there's a little preview of the mouse. As you see, it goes really well with the Razer Firefly. Beautiful mouse. Now I'm gonna get my Naga Chroma review going. I would definitely recommend this mouse for anyone who likes first-person shooters. Beautiful mouse, beautiful, very beautiful. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Adios for now.